One time for Blue Division, Top Dog and AOB. We had our differences, but they got handled in the street. So I'm gon' keep it hood and shout the homies from Unique. That's Willie Lynch shit. They want a sort of beef, but it's enough money in this shit for a sort of eat. We got the clubs going, we got the streets going, we got that world star hip hop and MTV going. And yeah, we lost it for a sec, but now we repoint. I took a trip out to Manhattan out of East Knowing. When I'm at ATL, I'm hauling duct tape. Ricardo Alley, Boy and Black, them niggas nothing fake. I think I'm DJ Khaled, Ricky Ross. That we the best MMG shit screaming, bitch, I'm the boss. I started on the block out the trunk of my old school. Still I ain't mad at my haters, that's what hold up.
I don't really care what you call me. You can even call me cold. These bitches know as soon as they saw me. It's never me to get the privilege to know. I roll like a desperado. Now I'll never know where I'm gonna go. Still I ball like there's no tomorrow. Until it's over and it's all she wrote.
Shit. Bitch. Did. Shit. Niggas. Bitch. Shit. So.
I don't really care what you call me. You can even call me cold. I roll like a desperado. Now I'll never know where I'm gonna go. Till I fall like there's no tomorrow. It's over and it's all she wrote.